Good morning, everybody. It is Monday morning for me. It is currently 8:37, and I just dropped Gavin off at school. Easton, my mother-in-law picks up Easton. I've told y'all that before. But she picks him up at about 7:20, and then Gavin and I get ready. Well, I get Gavin ready and fed, and then we head out the door about 8, and I drive him to school, drop him off, and then I come home on Monday mornings. And I get questions often about what I do while both of my kids are at school, because I think sometimes being a stay-at-home mom, there's the assumption that we just kind of sit around. And not everybody thinks that, but I think people would be surprised how many times we get the, what do you do all day when your kids are at school question. So I'm going to do a little video, just kind of on like my Monday morning routine once the kids go to school, some things I do. And of course, there's little things every week that are different. It just kind of depends what needs to be done. But Mondays is the day that I stay home and I get the laundry completely caught up. I get, my kitchen stays clean most of the time, but I get that all picked up. I get all the rooms picked up, bedrooms included. I make all the beds. And then I just kind of sit down and prepare for the weeks. I usually do meal planning on Monday mornings and grocery lists and things like that, because on Tuesdays I go to Easton's school. And so once I drop Gavin off at school, I just go straight to Easton's school and I spend the whole 3.5 hours that Gavin is in school at Easton school and help his teachers with whatever they need, and I get to work with the kids, and I love that. So I don't have a lot of time here at home without the kids on Tuesdays, so I don't really plan to do anything Tuesdays unless, I still do laundry. I do a load or two every day, but and then Wednesdays is when I run errands. I grocery shop. If I have to go to the post office or, run any other kind of errand, I do it Wednesday morning. If I need to make a doctor's appointment, I make it for Wednesday mornings. That's just my day that I'm usually out running errands. So Monday mornings are get the house back in order from the weekend, because usually weekends are kind of crazy around here. So that is what I'm going to do. Enough rambling, and yeah, so let's see what I do Monday morning.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from, was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. That's my choice, what I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel, when I know that it's not about you, just me. Cause I was made to be free. I was made to be free. Cause I was made to be free.
Red eyes, strobe lights moving across the walls. You're looking like a movie star, but I don't know just what you are. Seems like you're type to be on the floor. You're looking for a kind of queen, the baddest one you've ever seen. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh, I'm swaying to the hits, boy, loving every disco. Ooh, so you say you're loving somebody else, that I am only for tonight. Yeah, you say you're gone and still you're in my bed. You're loving how I read your mind. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. So you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway.
Alright guys, so that is it. Other than I need to fold the laundry and work on my, or our weekly budget, and, I can't even think this morning. Our weekly budget and our, meal planning for the week. I should grocery shop Wednesdays, I've told you that. So for Wednesday to Wednesday. That is going to be it. That took me about an hour. It is now, 9:27. So, about an hour. I have everything straightened up, and laundry going, washer dryer. I have a load to fold, and then I have one more to go in the washing machine when it's done. So I am going to probably fold some laundry, maybe watch a show, and work on my budget and my meal plan. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. Welcome, and I will see everybody in my next video. Bye.